It was an eventful morning. A few members of the Parma Self-Help Group Federation visited the PWDS office. They were holding on to a copy of the English daily The Hindu. They said, "Here is some news. We want some clarification." Yes, it's something very interesting and important for our federation. The staff helped the curious members by explaining the details of the scheme in Tamil. It was the NABARD's support to people's organizations with internally revolving bulk loans. Immediately their faces lit up. There was excitement all around. Soon the information spread among other members and animated discussions followed. Once convinced that all the requirements are fulfilled, together they resolved to approach the divisional manager of the NABARD. Their appointment with him ended in disappointment. Yet, from his exhaustive lecture, they received more gainful information and all the details about the scheme. With this enhanced strength, they continued their crusade with other sources such as banks, financial institutions, and business concerns. The struggle never dampened their spirits or wore them down, but the new experiences only equipped and empowered them. The technical details variously gained enabled them to prepare a proposal with adequate professional touch. Being full-fledged, they called on the branch manager of the State Bank of Travancore. They hoped to win his recognition, for SBT had been the bankers of PWDS for the past 30 years. But the manager could not be convinced easily. The members did not give up. They invited the manager to a grand function in which a loan disbursement of ₹1 crore drawn from the Federation's own resources was made to the members. Having witnessed, he became all the more inquisitive. He inquired PWDS about the Federation and its activities. He invited the Federation leaders to his office, held encouraging discussion, and simultaneously he offered a loan facility to PWDS for the Federation. But Parma Self-Help Group Federation was firm to have its financial tie-up only with a mainstream bank and not with a development organization. With this determination, they held several rounds of discussions among their members, as well as consultations with development and financial experts. The only reason for the refusal of a loan to the Federation was identified as their period of operation of the microfinance activity was brief and hence inadequate. So they had to prove their extraordinary strength in other relevant aspects like governance and administration on the basis of their overall performance, and thereby the capacity to manage a large corpus of funds on their own. Yes, the toil and sweat of the TIPS team of PWDS in equipping the Federation has never gone unmerited. It has manifested in the form of a strong people's organization, managed efficiently with appropriate systems in place. Armed with such proven testimony, they made another attempt to meet the regional manager of the State Bank of Travancore. After careful scrutiny and clarification, which was followed by a series of intensive discussions, the team of authorities jointly approved the proposal. Securing ₹1 crore to be utilized as additional capital is a tribute to the hard work of a responsible people's organization. It has given them enormous strength and added to its prestige. At the same time, the members are now laden with additional responsibilities of accountability and stewardship. They now look ahead, more professional in their attitude, more serious in their work, and all the more committed and confident to scale higher peaks. With a new hope, they proclaim triumphantly, "We are a step ahead."